To simplify this expression, we're going to have to apply our rules of BEDMAS. So first we have our brackets and our exponents. So that means we're going to have to work with our a plus 5 raised to the power of 2 first. Now, as I repeated in a different video, the common mistake is for students to take this power of 2 and multiply it by everything inside these brackets. But we know that that's incorrect, so we're going to have to expand our brackets. So we still have our 3a out front, and then we have a plus 5 multiplied by a plus 5. Now, again, this makes sense because our base is a plus 5 with the exponents of 1. So when we have variables with the same base, we just add their exponent. So 1 plus 1 leaves us with the exponent of 2, so that's why we get a plus 5 raised to the power of 2. So now we're going to use our distribution laws and distribute this a and this 5 to everything inside our second set of brackets. So let's first start with our a. We're going to multiply it by the a and the 5 in our second bracket. So we have the 3a out front multiplied by a times a, which is a squared, plus a times 5, which is 5a. Now we're going to take our 5 and multiply it by everything inside the second brackets. So 5 times a is 5a, and then 5 times 5 is 25. So now, still dealing with these brackets, we have to group together our like terms. Our only like terms is this 5a and this 5a, so let's add those coefficients together. We have a squared plus 5, which is 10a, plus 25. Now we're done with inside our brackets, and we're going to have to use our distribution laws to distribute this 3a to everything inside the brackets. So we'll first start with 3a times a squared. Well, 3 times 1 is just 3, and then a times a squared, when we add the exponents, we get 1 plus 2 to give us a cubed. Now we have 3a times 10a. Well, 3 times 10 is 30, so we have 30 times a, which is a squared. And now we finally have 3a times 25. 3 times 25 gives us 75, and then a times nothing is just a. So our final answer is 3a cubed plus 30a squared plus 75a.